Hey everybody, I have a plant tip for you today. This is my beautiful peony tree. It has 3 blossoms this year and they're just about ready to burst open, so I'm really excited about that. But this peony tree has a little issue, and it has to do with chlorosis. Chlorosis is yellowing of the leaves, and you can see how it's yellow here, and it has the green veining. Now, I'm not sure exactly what caused this. It could be because I had it in a container and we had a lot of rain this year, and maybe the rain washed the nutrients out of the container. Regardless, I have to treat it, otherwise it could kill my peony tree. So the first thing I did was I measured my alkalinity with this little meter, and it was very alkaline at 8, when a peony tree is supposed to be between 6.5 and 7. So I added some soil acidifier to it, 1 tablespoon per diameter of the container, which I added 4 tablespoons. Mixed it up, watered it in. Then I added some chelated iron. This chelated iron was probably not the best option, just because it has EDTA in it, which you really want the EDDHA, which will green up your leaves pretty quickly. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tip, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.